In this video, we're going to be talking about how to back up Microsoft Authenticator. So to back up your Microsoft Authenticator, if you're on your Android, all you want to do is simply go ahead and head into settings and turn on cloud backup. Or if you're on your iPhone, simply go ahead and head into your settings and then simply go ahead and look for iCloud backup, which is normally around your general settings, and then go ahead and look for backup right over here. If you don't find it there, you can simply go ahead and tap on your profile name and then simply go ahead and head into iCloud and then simply go ahead and turn on iCloud backup and then click on backup now. So you will need to sign in with a personal Microsoft account to store the backup, which will then automatically run in the background. So when you simply go ahead and open your Microsoft Authenticator application, all you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on the three lines icon and then head into settings. Now, all you want to do is in the backup section, which is going to be right around here. Simply go ahead and turn on iCloud backup and then just sign in with your Microsoft account. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you.